Hi, I'm Chuck Thornton. When a blizzard hits, survival becomes real. A storm can change everything in minutes. Power outages, isolation, life-threatening cold. Precision counts. Learn the skills that keep you alive. Protect your family before, during, and after the storm. Mastering the storm, blizzards gives you proven, real-world survival strategies. Preparation saves lives. Don't wait until the storm arrives. Be ready. For more survival guides that build strength, skill, and resilience, explore Chuck Thornton's full collection. Get your copy today.